Good morning, guys. So I have had a few questions on how to actually go into your courses and see what your assignments are and do the readings on Schoology. So once you go to your Clever portal and you log into Schoology, you will be able to click this button up here at the top that says Courses. That will bring up all of your courses. Yours is going to look a little bit different than mine because mine has all of my courses that I teach, but you will find your science or social studies class for me or whatever course you're doing for another teacher under that tab. So for me, your science and social studies are going to look very similar when you enter them. So we're going to use second block science as an example, so we're going to click into that. When you click into your course, for me, you're going to see a folder that has either science or social studies remote learning week and the number. So this is our first week and it has the dates here. So Monday through Sunday, you'll see a link to virtual office hours. That is using the Microsoft Team app. They are going to be Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 1 to 2:30. Just click this link and it'll pop you up into our video chat. During that time, you can also text or email me and I will be checking those right then. If you text or email me outside of that hour and a half, those 3 days, I will get back to you as fast as possible. Again, here is just that information on those virtual office hours for science or social studies. Then there is the this little information on the immersive reader here at the bottom. So you can click this link to help you with that. If you need to translate, you can use that. It will also read out loud to you, which is really cool. So to get to your actual assignments, you will click on the folder for the week that we're on. So we are in week 1 right now. And when you get there, you'll get to a welcome page. So this one is again for science. All of your science reading, as it says, is on Pearson EasyBridge. You get there via Clever. So I have pre-assigned you your reading assignments on there. And then you will see the schedule for the week here, Monday through Friday, the standards that we're covering, and then the focus questions of the week. There's also after that a document here called Sentence Stems for Welcome Rituals and Enrichment Discussion Boards. If you click that, it will pop you up a Word document. There we go. With sentence stems to help you come up and write your own answers for all of the assignments this week. So they're all in this one document, Monday through Friday. And once you are done with that, you can actually then click this folder again to leave that document and go right back to where we were. So each day of the week that you click on, you'll see there is a welcome ritual and then an assignment. So we are currently on Wednesday. So today, go into that week 1. Scroll down to Wednesday. There is a welcome ritual, which is again just that way to get your brain thinking. And it poses the question, why does the earth have layers? There's a video to watch. It's pretty short. And then you'll just come down to where it says write a comment. You'll answer that question and then you will hit post here. Then once you've done that, you'll go to the assignment. So after you complete lesson 2, again, that's on Pearson EasyBridge. So you'll go on over to Pearson EasyBridge, read through lesson 2 and answer those questions. Then you'll come here and you'll see a link here underneath the picture that says Earth's Interior, Chapter 8, Lesson 2, Enrich. This is today's actual assignment. Oh, I already have it open, but that's okay. So it just opened up again. There's just one little paragraph here that gives you some information and a diagram and then just 5 short questions. So you'll answer those 5 questions. and a comment here, and then hit post. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know, and I will try to answer them as best as I can. Thanks, guys. Miss you guys, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.